Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 247. If we start with this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 2. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 9 here. So this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 1. For this top row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.